Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's build it. I'm Imran Malik, and you are going to see some animation in today's video on this onboarding screen. If you have not watched my the previous video for this series, please do watch how we created the splash, this onboarding, the pagination on this. We created a custom button with gradient that we are going to reuse everywhere. So please do watch that. And today we are going to see how we can add some animation on this image and maybe on this content when they appear. So let's get started. So let's first create a state variable, state private. We are going to use it internally, so I'm using it private is animating and it will be false by default. Okay, and sorry, we are on the onboarding view. We are not going to animate from here. We are going to add animation on this content. So let's add this con onboarding content file is animating false. And so first, what we want to do, we want to have some opacity when the screen is appeared, and then we smoothly make it appear, right? So let's add opacity is animating. So initially when the is animating is false, so opacity will be 0. So if you can see, it is disappeared from the screen. And same thing we're going to do with the description, and yes, maybe with the image as well. So everything is gone. So when it will come, when we will appear on this screen. So on appear, what we are going to do, we will use with animation, and we will use linear with duration of 0.5 second. So let's try with this value first. Is animating equal to true? So you see that how it appears. Let me try to run it. So this is the splash, and this is how it will be appeared. I think the animation is too fast. Let's make it one. So after the splash, we'll see. Yeah. So you see how it appears from opacity 0 to 1 with some very linear animation. Now this is about the appearance. Now we will add some animation on this image to move it up and down smoothly. So how we will do that? We will add some animation to this by doing offset. So we are going to change the offset of y coordinate, and the value will be depend upon the value of is animating. So when we appear on the screen for the first time, the y value will be 0. So it will be just touching to the top of this position. So you see how this uh, animation works from the top to bottom. It comes down very smoothly. But this is just one animation. We are going to add some more. So we'll add animation, uh, ease in out with duration of 5. Let's try with this value first, and we also want to repeat it forever with auto reverse true. So it will be repeatedly animate forever. Then we have this value parameter. In value, the value will be is animating. Let's see how it looks. So you see how it is coming down and then up, again up. Looks cool, na? Let me run it. Yes, this is the animation we implemented in action. If I switch to second screen, it is also working the same very smoothly. You can implement multiple animations using these properties, the animation and with the different options. All right, guys, so we have accomplished the purpose of this video, the animation. In the next video, we will add some action to navigate on this sign up screen. But before that, I would like to hide this button on the first page and would like to have it only when I appear on the second screen, right? So if I am on this screen, the next button should not be visible, but if I am on this screen, the next button should not be visible. But if I swipe to this screen, this is the last one, so the next button should be visible here. If I go back here, it should disappear. So we'll implement in the next video. Stay tuned on this channel. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe